All right. So we know that with legacy contact center, we take a lot of time in terms of planning the contact center and then designing, right? The hardware allocation, the purchase of phones, of infrastructure, setting up the data center from the very scratch, setting up that racks and the servers, then virtualizing them, then installing the operating systems, uh, taking care of the cooling, the power backups, right? So it's so much of work in installing the on-premise legacy contact center solutions, right? So it's like you're setting up from layer 1 to layer 7 of the you know infrastructure, right? So with cloud contact center, it's relatively far more less time consuming, and there is a lot of effort that you really save. So with Amazon Connect Contact Center, I'm gonna go ahead and launch one for you to showcase how quick really it is, right? And it doesn't take many days, rather it just takes few minutes to set up your uh, you know serverless Amazon Connect. So I'm logged into AWS console here, and on AWS services that we see, you got to come down to customer engagement. So it's all alphabetical. You got to come down to the C option, customer engagement, and find Amazon Connect right here. So the arrangement could go left and right, but all you need to remember is customer engagement, Amazon Connect. Or even if you don't want to, remember this, all you need to do is just type it in here, Amazon Connect. Okay, and you're gonna find the very first option, Amazon Connect. So I'm gonna click on this. It's going to take me to the welcome page wherein it talks about various features of Amazon Connect, right? And you can pretty much go ahead and explore getting started guide to Amazon Connect documentation to support. And it gives you a lot of details about, how to create an instance, how to set up their phones, the routing, what it does, the contact flows, right? So there's so much to it, right, that you can pretty much master yourself. But I'm going to be here taking you to each step-by-step process, explaining, what it really takes to build one. So I'm back to the main screen of Amazon Connect. Welcome. I'm going to go ahead. Yes, let's do get started. And it's going to talk us the first thing about what's going to be the URL of your cloud-based Amazon Connect wonderful contact center. So I'm going to say, let's keep it with my name in Tawheed at whatever Amazon Connect proposed, the later part of the URL. Okay. Uh, Remaining existing directory SAML, I'm going to leave it all as is, but right now I'm just going to say store users with Amazon Connect. Users will be created and managed by you within Amazon Connect. Okay. Note, you'll not be able to share users with other applications. So this is very important. Like, it's not that any directory or any users that you have created in your regular Amazon Connect center, you're not going to be importing them, or you're not going to be exporting some users from here. It's a absolutely serverless architecture, working absolutely free, right? In terms of, it doesn't have the existing integration with your services that you're running in parallel on Amazon. So it's free, it's independent. Not in terms of monetarily free, but I'm saying that it's not related to the other services unless you integrate it with them. So I'm going to say, yes, this is my URL that I'm happy with. I'm going to say next, but make sure that you type in something unique, because if that name exists, Amazon Connect would say, try a different unique identifier name. So I'm going to say, yes, this looks good. Now, important point wherein it's asking us, you want an administrator to be created, though these can be created later on as well. But for now, you know, we're not really, worried about creating a separate administrator to manage our Amazon Connect serverless, in deployment. So I'm going to say skip this. I don't need any separate administrator. I'm going to say next. Now, what all call types you would be really deploying into your system, incoming, outgoing, both. Yeah, we want both of them. So let's say next. Now on this page, you got to customize or leave it as is as well for the various options that you have for call recordings, chat transcripts, exported reports, and so on. So for anything that is to do with reporting, right, where do you want to save it? So you have got all that option to edit, right, and save it where you want. But make sure that it has to be a unique name, just like Amazon Connect name, the instance name, it has to be unique as well. It's asking that, okay, you can create a new S3 bucket for me. All right. And S3 is like simple storage service for Amazon. So just like Google Drive or Microsoft's OneDrive, Amazon Connect has got S3, which is simple storage service. So I'm going to say, yes, name it like this. And it looks good to me. I'm going to hit on save. So I have customized where my call recording is going to be saved at. Now, similarly, I don't want to this do not have this machine oriented name. I just want to have it more user friendly where I want to create this my chats. So literally it's going to be in the same S3 bucket. So I'm going to say save yes wherever you want to install it. Store it in S3 bucket that I tell you to. Okay. So path prefix will be report here. Let's say save here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on next. Okay. Now here, this is the final page that we want to review it. You want to copy it as well because this is the reference of your actual URL through which you're going to launch your applications. Okay. So this is my Amazon Connect URL that I'm going to log in and administer many things of users and call flow and so on. We haven't selected any administrator. We want inbound and outbound call, and these are the locations for our you know call recording, reportings, and so on to be stored at. So pretty much it, and now you can start your timer and pretty much click on create instance, and literally it's going to take very quick time to build it. It says that it's going to take a minute or two. So I'm going to pause this video over here for it to appear. Uh, and then I'm going to log into the Amazon Connect system and take you from there. All right, so it's going to take some time while I'm just pausing my recording for some time. Perfect. So congratulations, we have got our newly built Amazon Connect uh, serverless call center ready, and it literally did not take even more than 2 minutes, and it's up and running. So I have this URL that I created, and it says that your Amazon Connect has been created. At the bottom, you see this line which says, please allow up to 15 minutes for the login page to become accessible. Okay, I'm going to say get started, and let's see if it is started or not. Usually doesn't take that long. Perfect. So I'm logged into Amazon Connect, and welcome. Congratulations. So see you in the next section wherein we're going to talk about the various options that we have in Amazon Connect. Thank you.